powered by a turbo diesel 3-liter V6 engine with an automatic transmission. This vehicle is well equipped. This Audi features power door locks, rear spoiler, and all-wheel drive. Safety features include traction control, stability control, and 4-wheel ABS. Comfort and convenience features include satellite radio, backup camera, navigation system, and Bluetooth wireless. Give us a call to schedule your test drive today.